So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view page analytics of your design here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. So the first thing you have to do is open up Canva. Once that is done, simply just go ahead and make your design. So for instance, if you wanted to create an absolute, awesome design right here, we'll use these little eyeball emojis just like this. We'll use a circle just like this. And I'll change the circle to the color blue. So these eyes are looking at a blue circle. The background will be, in this case, I'll make the background kind of like a green color, just like that. So this is my wonderful masterpiece. Now, if you wanted to make this design public and you wanted to check sort of the analytics regarding your design in regards to like views, stuff like that, simply just go to the top here, the top right, press on this little graph right here, right beside it says analytics right here, right beside the comment thing. Press analytics just like this. I can't seem to get it right now, but I'm going to try my best here. There you go. Press on it. It'll say, activity. So if you want, if you created a poll or a quiz, for instance, you can do that. Just like that, external traffic, public view, link, social media, website. Basically, all your analytics will be right here. So if you wanted to create a poll, for instance, you can create a poll and you can see your results through Canva using the analytics tool. So very simple, very straightforward. Actually, give you guys a quick demonstration right here. So we'll just add a poll right here. This is my poll. I'll just type on answer number 1 like this. Press on submit, and answer number 2 is correct. So if you wanted to go to the top here and press on analytics, we'll just get this opened up right here. You have one response, you have one quiz, and I got the answer wrong, of course, but that is also another demonstration on how the analytics thing could work through Canva. So super duper simple, super straightforward. That is how to view page analytics here on Canva using the desktop version. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.